This is an on-site demo industrial laser welding robot with a positioner, built for large parts, designed for real production. Flexible motion allows welding across complex structures and tight positions. The positioner rotates and tilts the workpiece, so the robot always stays in the best welding position. Let's watch it work. The robot follows a programmed path, moving smoothly and precisely along the weld seam. Its motion is fluid, controlled, and highly accurate even on complex geometries. Speed remains consistent. The performance stays stable. Each weld is uniform, clean, and repeatable, ensuring high-quality results every time. With advanced automated control, the system reduces manual intervention, minimizes human error, and boosts overall efficiency. No fatigue. No missed spots. Just reliable, consistent welding from the first piece to the last. Built for performance, designed for precision. Take a closer look. Smooth seams, strong joints. No rework needed. Let robots paired with positioners free your hands and improve work results and efficiency. UMW Laser Solutions.